Now let's look at how to make dormer windows. They are done as follows. Let's move on. For example, we already have built walls on the plan, which will be the boundaries of our dormer window. If we go to the 3D view, we can see that they are just sticking out of the roof on the next level up. Longitudinal walls will go in the room under the roof. Therefore, we can simply attach them to the roof. And these walls will be the walls of the dormer window. In order to create a dormer window, the first thing is that we make a separate roof over this element. In the Architecture tab, we also select a roof and build some kind of roof with the exact offset you need above that part. We understand that we will only form a slope in 2 directions, so we can disable slope formation here. We make this roof smaller in advance than it should be. Let's use it. Let's see. So, we have the roof. Yes, it remained on the ground floor. Let's move it to the first floor. Here is our roof. We can align this roof in height. This can be done either manually or by specifying offset parameters. For example, we must have it somewhere here. Here is the roof. Let's temporarily hide these walls. That is, the roof. It is not connected to the main roof. How to connect it? To do this, there is a Join Roof tool on the Modification tab. Click this tool. First, select the face to be attached, then the roof to which it needs to be attached. And then our dormer window joined. Let's take back our walls. After we joined we can attach them to a new roof. The walls can be seen that the level goes a little further. We can either cut them in different parts and attach them to different places. But let's just make this wall smaller, in order to understand more about the dormer window. Here we see that the auditory. We have the window ready. Looks beautiful. But now we have one minus. If we look behind this wall, we can see that the hole in the main roof is not cut. Let's take back the wall. How to make this hole? To make it for us, go to the Architecture tab and we have. There is a dormer opening button. Click this button, select the roof in which we will cut a hole, and we must select the cutting planes, which will be the boundaries of the plane. The main thing is that they just exist. We can choose them, and then move the place we need. That is, we need this wall and we need it. Okay, good. There may be a situation that this wall does not stand out. It doesn't allow us to draw in this mode, but we can copy the lines and reach out. Therefore, we can simply copy the line. Attach it, check that it is tied to the walls. And on top it is tied to our roof. After that, we click Apply. Now, if we open our element again, and thus our wall looks beautiful both indoors and outdoors. By the way, let's return the wall we had here. We can insert a window, but our dormer window looks good. If you need to make it higher, the walls are dynamic and they are automatically attached. Everything can be done easily and conveniently.